Today, in this video, I'm going to try something different. We have with us Dr. Vipul, who has been with me for more than 2 years now, and he has transformed his business to a level that has made me really proud. Today, I'm going to ask him what was his mindset when he came into the program, how it changed, and how can beginner coaches approach a coaching business online. This is going to be a very short and focused discussion. Hope you find it valuable. Hello, Vipul. Thanks for being on this video.
Thank you, Gopal, for having me.
It was really a pleasure having you on this show, and thanks for coming all the way from Bhopal to Coimbatore. How has working with this unicorn community has been for you for more than a year now?
Thank you, Gopal, for having me here. So, working with Unicorn, it's really amazing and transforming experience that I've experienced. And you know that incidents of life, my life, the turning point of my life. So earlier, I had the source of income was YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel got hacked on the 1st of January 2024, right? And you appeared in my life like an angel, and I saw the one of your podcast, and I got a feel as if this is the divine messenger for me. And from there, I joined that journey. You asked me go for this thing and that thing. I blindly follow you, and the moment I started, you mentioned this word. Start learning from energy on vibrational mode. Whereas earlier what I experienced the language challenges, right? Means that MTI thing, mother tongue influence was there, so that language was challenge for me. But when you mention this word, learn from the frequencies, vibration and energy, and from that moment I got connected with you. Whatever you mentioned it, I got the divine message. Yes, this is what I have to do. You mentioned achieve this target and come for that award. And you gave that 3 months, I achieved that target within 45 days. So the journey was magical. And after that, a lot of things was there, lot of intricacies was there. Even that the belief system was so strong, I experienced the inner transformation. And today you see that I'm experiencing the 10x growth in my life. And this is that amazing things, because I love your energy. I love the way you interact with the people. You share your journey, how the transformation came in your life, and I start imitating the same. And I become that person. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Vipul, I know that you lost your YouTube account on January 2024. So what were you doing then, and what are you doing right now? And how did this unicorn community changed you, transformed you? Can you just know details about that?
Well, definitely, Gopal. I believe that everyone should know it. Earlier, I was operating from that energy, the things. I was so unorganized. But when I joined you, you mentioned it very clearly. First, work on yourself. And I did it. Then that's business part, that system thing was there, how to create the funnel, what should be the first step, then second and the third, how you should take the journey of your client from step 1, step 2, how to give this mind shift. I learn it from you. After that, I become so organized. I know what to talk, how to talk, and how to inculcate the values and how to introduce the system so that my students, they don't get overwhelmed. Because earlier they used to get overwhelmed. Now what to do, how to do. You gave me a lot of inputs, lot of things is there, but I don't know how it become the actionable for us. But now they get the clear-cut roadmap because of that system. And you give a lot of input of AI and other things also. So now I know how to use this technology also, and how to align myself, my inner identity with the system, with the client, so that triangle thing is there. Me, client, and that system. It got organized very well. From 2024 to now, from unorganized trainer, coach, now I am organized, more impactful mentor. So from the coach, I become the impactful, organized mentor. That is the journey.
Vipul, one thing I want you to let us know is that for beginners, they do a lot of searching for mentors, and they finally find one mentor who can really help them. What was your journey? What were you searching for? What did you find in us? And why do you recommend this community for beginner coaches?
See, Gopal, this is a wonderful question. To find a mentor or a guru in the life is not easy task. See, you need to mentally get ready. So it is well said that when a student get ready, teachers appear. What does it mean? That when you find a person When you connect to the person, you need to surrender him. Don't doubt. Don't try with him. Just trust the person. And for that, you need to go through the process. Like I went through a lot of process. But how I find the person, right? I check the values of the person. That what is his mission and vision, what he is teaching, whatever he impart, is it from a book or from his life, right? If you find the person with whose values get connected with you, if you get connected with the honesty of the person, just surrender him. People operate from the try state. No, when you find the person, just surrender him and do whatever he say blindly. When you do it, you achieve actual that this is how I call it, you give that input, you develop that relation by surrendering. And when you surrender, actually you surrender to yourself, right? You develop that strength. So like Ekalavya, let's have an example of Ekalavya. Ekalavya surrendered to the Murti, right? That is statue. But actually he surrendered to himself. The inner power comes from your inner self, because God doesn't exist in the that statue. God activated from within. And when you find a mentor and you surrender yourself, and that mentor or that coach get the divine message from the divine only for you. This is what I believe. Right? Like one of my coaches, he mentioned this word called awaken your Buddha. And he didn't know why he is mentioning this word. He was telling to someone else, and I got this message as if he's telling to me. And I received that word and I worked on it and the game changed. So when you surrender to your mentor, knowingly, unknowingly, he'll start giving that input what is suit to you. And this is the power of mentor. So from trainer to coach to mentor, you need to take somebody. If you get connected to the person, take him from trainer to mentor. And when you get a mentor, you don't need anyone else on this planet, because of that one person, that power of one person. Like Vivekananda got Paramahans, the life completely got transformed. He was powerful, but he used to live like a powerless life. But when he got the mentor, the guru is someone who help you to get connected to you. The guru is not the one who give you in content. You can have the content from AI, right? The content is there, but the actual guru or a mentor help you to get connected with you. That what you did with me, right? That energy connection. And this is what I believe. I don't need the content. The content would be there. If I would with you, whatever would be there, you can give it to me by default, right? But that connection I have to develop. Wow. I have to earn that relationship. It won't come like that. So you can have a person, but you have to earn that relationship, that guru-mentor relationship. And when you get it, nobody can stop you. You become unstoppable. Because with a mentor, you become like the kite who is flying on a high. He has a control. But if you don't have a mentor or a coach, you become that kite or something, those who don't have a control. So you know that what would be the condition. And this is what I like to suggest the people, those who are looking for the person. You have to put efforts. Mentor doesn't come like that. Surrender your ego and you'll find that person. And when you get it, life completely get changed. This is what I experience. Gopal, you asked many questions. Now I would like to ask few questions. Yeah, so Gopal, my question is that what are 3 mindset mistakes that coaches do that break their journey?
The first thing is that they have to ignore their current reality. A lot of coaches cling to their ego of being a coach. They try to get leads, get on one-to-one calls with them and try to convert, which is not at all scalable. And if you are remaining in that old identity of theirs, they are not going to change the reality. Second, they have to jump to the new identity of being a CEO. You have to see yourself as an owner of an online store who is selling a product. You should see that you are solving problems with that product. You are creating offers around that product and telling stories around that product. And only when you act like a CEO can you make 10x more income. Third, you should make sure that you take massive action. 30 days of posting content is greater than 30 months of overthinking. If you can take massive action from this new identity of yours, in a matter of 30 days, you'll start doubling or tripling in income. But many coaches don't do that because they fear visibility. They fear what will others say of them. And that is what stops them from launching themselves as a CEO.
Okay, Gopal, my question is that why coaches struggle to sell?
Coaches struggle to sell because it is not natural for them. What is natural for them is coaching. They want to transform people. And when they give something like pitching on a webinar, pitching on a sales call to a coach, they feel burnt out because when they receive rejection again and again and again, they feel the fear of failure and they feel the burnout and they give up on their coaching business, stop developing it online and just do word of mouth referrals and just keep very limited. But what they have to do is to make selling effortless like breathing is that they have to create transformation before transaction. They can get people to a 2 to 5 day class where they do the transformation for them, give them assignments, give them tasks to do. And once they create the transformation, when they are sold on your model, then it is so easy to sell. So this is how you can eliminate selling from the equation, and that's how you can be more confident and enroll more sales, and you can sell without selling with this model which I call as binge marketing. So thank you Vipul for sharing all your insights on this day. I wish you all the best for your next level.
Thank you, Gopal. Thank you for having me here. Thank you for your guidance. Thank you.